Ken, you talked about, material sufficiency and formal sufficiency. And I hadn't really, before I became Catholic or looked into Catholicism, I hadn't really thought of sufficiency in terms of those two categories. I read books called The Sufficiency of Scripture by some of my favorite authors, and I didn't really see those two things as being distinctive, but they really are. And an analogy of this would be Home Depot. Home Depot is a good example of formal and material sufficiency. So if I want to build a house, I go to Home Depot. Well, all the material is there. Like everything I need to build a house is in Home Depot. I can go there, order all the supplies, and take them to a piece of property, and I can build a house out of everything. So material sufficiency is everything is there. Now, formal sufficiency would be like saying, does Kenny know how to build houses? Yes, he can get his hands on everything necessary to build a house. And Catholics would agree with that. Everything necessary to build your faith is in Scripture. But not everybody knows how to build a house. Not everybody has that gift. Not everybody has that responsibility, that there's a particular gift for this and responsibility for this. And that is the formal sufficiency. We would say that's not something that we agree with as Catholics. We believe that you need somebody to show you how to build that house. Just because you can go get all the material doesn't mean you're going to put it together right. Your roof may cave in. And there's all kinds of analogies for shipwrecking your faith, building improperly on your foundation. There's all that kind of language in the Bible about people who put their faith together the wrong way, which tells you that they may have the material, but they don't have the formal capacity to put it together right. And this is where heresy arises and so forth. So Catholics, to sum up then, would say, we believe in the material sufficiency of Scripture, 100%. But we don't believe in the formal sufficiency of Scripture, because we believe Scripture itself teaches that other gifts from God are necessary in order for us to fully engage with God's revelation the right way.